Hi guys,
वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल
अभी इनवाइट रिएक्शन विकी
हाँ जी। आज फिर आपके सामने है एक नया वीडियो लेके
जो है राहुल सुब्रमण्यन का
क्राउड वर्क के ऊपर, जो बहुत अच्छी कॉमेडी होती है क्राउड वर्क में वीडियो में ऑडियंस के साथ। तो आइए देखते हैं कैसा है वीडियो। अच्छा लगता है हमको क्राउड वर्क के वीडियो होते हैं, तो वीडियो होते हैं, इंटरेक्ट करते हैं वीडियो के साथ। देखते हैं राहुल जी का कैसा है वीडियो। आइए।
GK, I wished I knew you, man, at that time.
You can still know me. I'm here after the show.
GK, are you flirting with me? Right, that man and that lady with that kid. Hi, sir.
Hi,
Oh. Hi, what's your name?
Rashmi.
Rashmi. Rashmi, can you hold the mic a little closer to you?
Not really. No. Okay.
See, you'll get such audience also. Let's start again. So nice to meet you.
Hi Rahul, nice to meet you.
Can you please hold the mic a little closer?
Is this better?
Rashmi, what do you do?
I'm an executive search consultant.
Are you one of those search engine optimization people?
No.
Okay. Oh, I have to keep guessing. All right.
So I hire folks for companies in their leadership position.
Your consultancy service, HR consultant. Ah,
Not HR, it's just
you don't want
join.
to be associate with that.
No, I don't know about
Name
labor
at
laws and
all.
stuff like that.
So what do? I help in hiring. So you're an HR. Don't ever take that name in front of me. I'm an executive search what? Executive search? Executive. Rashmi, who are you here with? This lovely gentleman.
That's my husband.
Hi, husband.
Hi, Rahul.
Hi, what's your name?
Abhishek.
Abhishek. Abhishek, what do you do, bro?
I'm the executive.
Where do you work, bro?
I work with a company called Black Buck.
Black Buck.
Yeah. It's
Let me guess the brand ambassador. What does Black Buck do?
trucking. Point A to point
Okay,
B.
logistics company.
Yeah, but trucking. Just focus on trucks.
Even if it's like one chotu packet, we're like, we'll fuck.
Trucks.
हम तो ट्रक में भेजेंगे भाई. अपना उसूल है. You guys have been married for how long?
11 years.
11 years. That's a long time. How did you guys meet, if we can know?
College.
Oh, this is college love. That's interesting. Which college?
I am Bangalore.
What's the one thing you don't like about him? Why are you guys reacting as if you already know?
He's a morning person. I'm not. So he's like, he'll wake me up in the morning saying, come on, it's Sunday. There's a whole day up ahead. Let's go out and do stuff. And
Why
I
do
just
you
want to go
spoil
back
a
to
Sunday,
sleep.
man?
That's it.
It's Sunday. How early does he wake up?
7, which is early on a Sunday.
What the fuck do you do at 7 a.m. Huh?
It's nice. It's sunny. It's bright. I'm singing.
You're singing?
I'm a morning person, dude. I'm a ray of sunshine in morning.
You're ray of sunshine. वो दिख रहा है सूरज से जो निकल के आ रहा है. मैं. That's so. What do you do in the morning? Do you have a routine? You like to get up, you have your coffee, tea. What are you? Coffee person, tea person?
Depends on the day.
Let's go with Wednesday. Now, one of you booked tickets for me. I want to know whose idea was this to come to this show.
The friend who didn't show up.
Oh, that's. Let's bitch about him. Who is that friend?
His name is Ishwar.
Ishwar. Oh! Doesn't seem very godly, huh?
Oh, by the way, Ishwar is coming in about 10 minutes, so
You
yeah.
guys are together?
Yeah.
Ishwar! Why are you sitting in a corner, huh? Come. Give blessings, come.
You can thank me later.
King Ishwar. Ishwar, you booked tickets for all of them? Something like that. Okay, can you give a mic to Ishwar? He's not actually God. What made you get them all here? What did you tell them?
I saw your Prime special. I laughed a lot.
You didn't show it to them?
I think they.
Because both of them have been looking at me as if like ये dance क्यों नहीं कर रहा है? कुछ गीत वीत हो जाए तो what do you do? What does your company do?
It's a startup that.
Something we do every day. We get up at 7. This guy is like, I am ray of sunshine. What is the company called?
It's called Unsolved.
That must instill a lot of confidence in your clients.
Yes, kind of.
What does Unsolved do?
It actually just helps people with ideas progress with their ideas.
So if I have an idea, like a good business idea,
Yeah, you can just post it, and
I can just post it. And then what would you do?
then we connect you with people who can collaborate with you and help you with it. Simple. Yeah, I mean, you have an idea, I
Idea,
can
बस.
help. Huh.
तेरे को सुनने का है क्या? Are you also an MBA?
Yeah.
From?
Same.
I am Bangalore.
Yeah.
You guys are all from I am Bangalore.
Yeah.
Are you married, bro? Ishwar?
Yeah.
Is your wife here?
Yeah, on the other corner.
Hi. Why you guys are like right back, left back of football, huh? You should give it to your wife. What's her name? Let me guess. Devi? You're also from I am Bangalore.
Yes.
Is I am Bangalore only this? If they see one man and one woman, they. Here's your degree and your spouse. Devi, are you also an entrepreneur?
Kind of, yes.
What do you do?
So I own a dessert company. We sell ice cream and brownies and stuff.
Awesome. How did this idea come? Did you go to his platform, put that idea and someone... Is that how it started? Every day you're like, listen Ishwar, I have another idea. I can't take this anymore. I'm going to start a platform. You put your ideas there. And someone will... This sounds like a great place. What's the name of the place?
The ice cream place called Nutty Squirrel.
Nutty Squirrel. Where is it?
There's one in Bellandur.
In Bellandur. Is that far?
Very, very far.
That's why there is a dur in the name only.
Yes.
Kitna dur? Bellandur. I'm going to ask something. You may choose not to answer. Okay? Are you profitable already?
No, which is why I also have a job.
Oh, you're that kind, huh? Two-timing.
Yes.
What's your job?
I work with Flipkart.
That's a nice company. Oh, I order from Amazon, but Flipkart is doing well these days?
Yes.
Are any of the founders still there?
We will go back to talking about my company.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oops, my water almost broke. I'm sorry. Are you planning to expand it to other cities as well?
Not right now. We're planning on expanding in Bangalore first.
Mm-hmm.
And then other cities later if we still have the money.
You will have money, and I wish you all the best. And I'll post it on Instagram story, and I'll tag you. And your
Awesome.
sales will go through the roof. Then you'll write a book, first chapter dedicated to my mentor, Rahul Subramanian. But let's talk to this guy. I like your personality, man. This strong, like, if you come near my daughter, that personality you have, like.
Don't come near my daughter.
I won't.
Whenever she comes up.
Hi, man. What's your name?
I am Gopalakrishnan.
Gopalakrishnan.
Yeah.
Nice. You're from Gujarat.
No, Chennai.
I know that. I was trying Gopalakrishnan, do your friends call you GK?
Yes.
Can I call you GK?
Yeah.
So Gopal, tell me. I can call him. I'll use it whenever I want. What do you do, bro?
I work at Amazon.
You work in Amazon. A to Z. That's nice, man.
Thanks for all the business we are giving us.
Very nice for accepting us also. You know, दोस्ती को रिश्तेदारी में बदल देना. Ziggy, what do you work in Amazon as?
I'm a senior category manager.
Senior category manager. What category do you handle?
IT accessories, electronics.
All the mouse and then.
Yeah, all that stuff.
What's the best part of being a category manager?
You solve customer problems. You solve problems of customers like you who would try to buy IT accessories from Amazon, you try to solve those issues.
Tell me now, give me an example. I want to find a mouse. I search for mouse in Amazon. It starts showing me something else only. Why don't you take washing machine? Lot of customers have bought. अरे मेरे को mouse चाहिए. Like don't worry, GK is here. GK.
Yeah, so something as simple as having the right detail page which has all the details of the product will help. So we work on that.
Do you know I worked in e-commerce, bro? GK?
Where?
I can't reveal. GK, I wished I knew you, man, at that time.
You can still know me. I'm here after the show.
GK, are you flirting with me? GK?
No man.
No.
We're cool. Thanks,
GK,
but no thanks.
You're here with someone?
Yeah. I'm with her. Nishita.
Neighbors.
Yes.
What are you?
Friends.
Friends. बोलना हो पहले. Nishita, do you also work in Amazon?
No. नहीं पूछोगे तो बता दूंगी.
That's all I wanted to know. A funny thought came. I'm going to ask you. Where do you work?
I work at R&D for Biocon.
Biocon क्या करता है?
Drug development.
ए शो ऑफ फार्मा जीके कंपटीशन नहीं एक जीके ऑलरेडी है इधर गो ऑन मैन हाँ
Yeah, pharma basically. We do drug development.
ड्रग डेवलपमेंट हाउ लॉन्ग डू यू नो ईच अदर यू एंड जीके
We've been knowing each other since past 6 months.
प्रोबेशन how did you guys meet? How are your friends? Like, it's a funny story, no? Tell.
We just met at a cafe.
So much build up you did. You
It was not a build up, man.
Okay, how did you meet in the cafe?
I was just.
Both of you said check please together.
No, I was just alone and he found me.
Jige. Huh? This is how you solve customer problems, huh? Jige, now I want to know from your side what happened. Start from the beginning, like got up in the morning, there was a ray of light, this guy dancing. From there you start.
I can't make up stories like long stories which start from morning and all. I have to go with the truth. I'm not
That's
that.
what. Okay. Do you have a different story?
I'll just give you one detail.
Okay.
We decided a place, and I was sitting there, and he made me wait for 2 hours. I was just sitting, and he found me.
You made her wait for 2 hours. What?
Yeah.
Where are you coming from, Bellandur? What did you gift her? The first gift that you've given her?
It was actually a handbag, so much better than a mouse.
A handbag.
Yeah.
Inside there was a mouse. 6 months in, huh? Now it's the important period. So all the best, guys.
Thank you.
May
Thank you.
Yeah, if you also write a book.
Mentor.
First chapter for you.
Mentor.
Mentor.
All right, I'm fine with it. Give it up for them, guys.
ये राहुल जी का सुब्रमण्यम जी का रायल सुब्रमण्यम ये राहुल जी का वीडियो देखा आपने कैसा लगा आपको आप बताइए कमेंट करके बहुत अच्छा कॉमेडी था वीडियो
कॉमेडी था और जो उन्होंने क्राउड के साथ इंटरेक्ट किया है अच्छा था
सबकी इंफॉर्मेशन ले लेके आपस में मस्त अच्छा भी लगा मस्त लगता है
अमेज़न वाले से
लगता
अपना क्या सेटिंग करना
नहीं अच्छा वीडियो था बहुत अच्छा बढ़िया वीडियो था क्राउड वर्क वीडियो अच्छे होते हैं बहुत मेरे को अपने ऑडियंस के साथ जो कॉमेडी होती है ना बहुत मस्त लगती है मतलब रियल लगती है फील होता है स्क्रिप्ट नहीं होती तो अच्छा लगता है मजा आता है सुन के आपस में जोक
क्राउड
बनते
वर्क विदाउट स्क्रिप्टेड रहता है
हैं हाँ तो अच्छा लगता है अच्छी कॉमेडी हो जाती है अच्छे अच्छे जोक्स बन जाते हैं बढ़िया में सबकी हंसी निकलती है कंटिन्यू कुछ ना कुछ बात करते हुए देख सकते हैं इसका वीडियो अच्छा है मैं अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक में डाल दूंगा वीडियो को अगर इसे नहीं देखा प्लीज़ उनका वीडियो दे सकते हो।
अगर आपको हमारे साथ देखना अच्छा लगा तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब
कीजिए।
जरूर कीजिए, बेल आइकन को दबाइए ताकि आपको हमारे नेक्स्ट
Notification।
वीडियोस मिलते रहें। और आपको हमारा रिएक्शन कैसा लगा हमें कमेंट करके प्लीज़ बताइए।
कुछ वीडियो सजेस्ट कीजिए जिससे हमको रिएक्शन देना है करके कौन से वीडियो देना है और भी, तो प्लीज़ सजेस्ट कीजिए वीडियो को। तब तक टेक केयर,
बाय बाय।